Okay, so we've had lots of opportunity to test all the swaddles this year. And the one which is for all three, the favourite has been this one.
The Embe.
The Embe. Yeah, so you're loving the Embe.
Yes, and it's so cute. I really like the colours it comes in.
No problem about hip health.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell us what you love about the Embe, why you think it's going to be your pick for summer.
I really like it because it's still quite a firm swaddle, because like my favourite is the Miracle Blanket, which is quite a firm arms down swaddle.
Yeah, so it gives you a Miracle Blanket like
kind of like a similar feel, but with a little bit more movement for babies who like their arms on their chest, so because they can just sort of wriggle up in there. I also
it's got some serious
I
Velcro.
love that it's Velcro, so it's really really easy to use, pretty foolproof, quick to put on.
So legs can go in or out.
Yep. That's awesome.
Yeah, and it's also been designed actually by a rocket scientist with some real safety features too. So like you can actually adjust this panel upwards and use the little snap them so you get the length right.
Yeah.
Or if you want it if you like it loose during kind of getting used to not being swaddled. And then I just love this feature that you can keep your baby. Good. You can do a nappy change.
Yes.
Like I used to try and like pin the arms down and change the nappy because I hated to be that naked feeling. Yeah, so you could do
I love the Miracle Blanket.
you can do your nappy change, or if it's just too warm.
So.
Yeah, and I think too, when we're talking about layers, if it's really hot and if this is enough for your baby to be settled, you could just actually tuck that down like that. It's still super secure.
Yeah.
It won't be as secure from a stopping, wriggling around point of view, but if you're really concerned about baby not getting too hot but you need some startle control, then you could just do that. That's what I say with the Miracle Blanket for summer too. Just whip off that extra layer.
Yeah.
So the Embe comes in two options. This is the starter version, and there's also one that's got arms in or out. So I can't remember what that's called. Swaddle out. So yeah, so in the 0 to 3 months it's like this, and in the 3 to 6 months when it gets up to the stage Maria was talking about where baby's getting close to rolling, get one arm out and then you can get both out and you can just keep using it like a little mini sleeping bag. Okay, what's our next one?
Well, so this is a little unicorn. Is it? Yeah.
It's a muslin from Little Unicorn.
A muslin from Little Unicorn.
Yeah.
I love the muslin. Like, this is the classic. So it's not a fitted swaddle. It's just a use your own technique. Traditional swaddle. So it means that there's lots of options. You can do whatever works.
Yeah.
For summer, you can.
We can post some videos afterwards.
Yeah. So we can do some swaddling videos afterwards.
Yeah.
You can do a legs out version and an arms, just with the arms tucked in.
And you can also just use it. You can just wear it.
Yeah.
Just wearing this one, great.
Yeah, and actually some of the prints in these,
so beautiful.
We have staff that just wear these for a scarf. And so buy a print that you love for you, and then
later.
You can use it later. Like that.
So I'll come in next time with my dinosaur scarf on.
You're going to look, when you go back to that project management job, you're going to look so flash with your dinosaur scarf.
Yeah. It's such nice gifts as well. Like,
so gifty.
Such a nice gift because, it's such beautiful stuff and
it's so good.
Designed for everyone.
Are you going to put Theo into
Yeah,
this
we
one?
can put Theo in this
Is this why this is lined up here? So just before you just hold Theo. So this is our Sleep Store Zip Swaddle, which we designed it took a very long time actually. So I think it launched last year. So let's get little Theo into that. Will he still fit?
I think so. He's only 9 weeks. I know he looks bigger, but he is bigger. But he's only 9 weeks. He wore this one yesterday.
The newborn stuff.
Yeah, he's still definitely.
Yeah, he's going in there. Oh, you can
see, there you go, longevity.
Yeah. So this is out of our GOTS certified organic cotton. I need to get out of the way. And this has really been designed to answer all of those questions about swaddling, about it not being too hot, not being too tight, having plenty of hip movement. So this is like the super safe swaddle for anyone who's like got an issue with swaddling. And it's
arms up on their
on the chest, most natural position, loads of hip room. It's super lightweight, 0.2 tog. and it's got certified organic cotton, which is the highest rating of organic certification that you can get. So this is like our dream swaddle. It's why it took us a really long time to invent it.
It's pretty cute.
It's pretty cute, and you can also, it's got a double-ended zip, so again for heat, you know, it's going to be just as effective on the top half, but you can actually just open it up and have the legs out.
Or change a nappy.
Or change a nappy. Yeah, so I think
pretty
it's just
handy.
going to keep lying there modelling that for us. And then the other swaddle, which you know we've sold for a really long time, is the ergopouch swaddle. It used to be called the cocoon. I think it's just a sleep sack swaddle or something now. They keep changing the name. So this one in all sizes can have the arms out. So really good option if you want to buy something and then keep using it as a sleeping bag, or if sometimes your baby doesn't need to be swaddled and sometimes they do, and it's easy to tuck the arms back in. And this is also you know, organic and really lightweight. So that's our kind of top picks for summer.